Hello guys, and welcome back with a new video on our channel Crypto Geographic. So in this video we'll dive into online trading with Vantage Markets, an online platform that will enable you to trade on all markets 24/7, so it's always available, and also it's available on all devices, so you could trade on your PC, also mobile device, App Store or Google Play. You will find the application there. So before starting, don't forget to let us a like, also subscribe, let us a comment below, and let's get started. So we're now on the official website of Vantage Market, the broker that has lots of utilities and benefits for traders. So, and before we dive into, we should know what a CFD. We'll talk about it quickly. So CFD let you trade on multiple assets like Forex, commodities, stocks, or even crypto without even owning them. And the benefits, it's the flexibility. We have also a high leverage that can go to 300x, and also the diversification, so you could access to multiple asset class in one place or broker, and we'll show you everything in this video. So we should do an introduction about the Vantage Market. So as we can see here, we have the website. Here we have the event that we will talk about. It's the deposit bonus. So in your first deposit you will get a 100% bonus, and that's great. Here we have the vintage reward, the vintage switch bonus, the copy trade, the latest Trump tariffs, the deposit bonus also. And here we can see the difference between vintage and other brokers in the spread price. So as we can see, vintage is always lower than other market average. So as we can see here, why we should choose vintage broker. So first we have the vintage, an award winning broker. We have over than 5 million users, so this broker is trusted, and with over than 1000 products available to trade in. Also you could start with 0.0 pip and a $0 deposit fee. So from the benefits of this broker is a trusted one, secure, and also we have the competitive spread as we talked about it before. Here we have the platform's review. So we have a higher review. The minimum is 4.5 stars, so you could check it on the platform that you use. We have Google Play, App Store, also review.io, forexbroker.com, wikifx, daytrading.com, and FR. Here also we have the media that cover vintage, and here, as we mentioned on the intro, this broker is available and you could trade anytime and anywhere on your PC devices, wherever it's a Mac OS or also Windows, or on your phone devices, Google Play or Apple Store. I will show you also how to sign up after doing the introduction or the review of the website. So here we have the product that Vintage provide us. So driving exchange with a leading CFD broker. So we have the Forex, the Andes, the gold and silver, the energy also, the ETFs, the soft commodities, and the shares also. And here we have a 24-hour support available, the help center if you need any help or resource, and start your trading now. As we can see, this is the benefits that we talked about it before. Here as we can see with the details, all the products available on Vintage. So all trading instruments. So here we have Forex, also here we have the products, also we have the Andes, the precious metal from the gold, silver, and other metal, the soft and commodities as coffee, cacao, copper, so it's commodities, also the energy, the ETFs also, as you can see here, the share CFD. You could also choose wherever you want to trade. We have the US shares, the AU shares, the UK shares, the EU or the Europe shares, and the mainnet shares as well. And the bonds here, it's available also. And now I will show you the method to how to create your account or sign in. So it's too easy. Just click on here register or sign up now, and you will be redirected to the registration page. So about the link, you will find it on the video description below. and then you will get to the website and click on register, or I will put the registration link directly. So here you will get to give them your info. So you will have the country, the email, password, and the referral that you will find on description of this video. Then you select if you're a US resident or no US resident, and agree to Vantage term, and you could start your journey on trading on all CFDs. So you could select whatever it's an email address or phone number to get started, and when you do your first deposit you will benefit of a 100% bonus. So if you put, for example, $100 to trade with, you will get a $100 extra. So you will have $200 on the broker, and you will get the full profit and the $100 that you push on the beginning. And guys, that was our video where I gave you a full introduction about Vantage Market. So if you have any idea for next videos, you could share it on the comment section, and also let me know what do you think. If you have any question and queries, you can just ask me directly on the comment section and I will answer you. And if you're watching channel, don't forget to let us a like, also subscribe, let us a comment below, and see you in the next video.